Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see. They got the howling, you hear it? Oh yeah! Hear it? Wow! Up high, they hear that whistling. Oh yeah! We still got power too, rocking the signs. We got some good gusts now. I said like tonight we're gonna get some good. The water's got to be screwed by the coast. It's good it's just not raining, but yeah, we get that whistling. I love that sound. It used to happen in my old house, snowstorms. The sign's all screwed up, but whatever. This is nice. Air conditioning, man. I'm gonna stay over here though. You can buy some stuff. It's not bad, but oh, there it is again, the whistling. See it spinning up top. That's where the currents are. You got a couple that come down low. Alright, we're whipping over here and whipping over there. Not bad though. Power's still on? I think the power's still on. Oh, I like the wind. I love it. Oh, birds? No, that was something else that just flew. Yeah, it's not as good as last storm, but I mean the storm before this is better than the one we had a week ago, but this is not as good as the 2 years ago when it was really bad and I had clear coat. Yeah, our power's back on though. Pretty cool. Yeah, I love that sound. I was trying to do a live stream the whole day, but I can't get Streamlabs to work. Oh well. It's really windy over there on that camera. It's like, it looks like it's end of the world. This camera's like nothing when I tried to stream it. I'm out of here. Nothing flew off yet.